Hi, in this video we're going to look at activity 4.1.3.5 and it's called implementing an IP addressing scheme. For the objectives, we're going to subnet an address space based on host requirements, assign host addresses to devices, configure devices with IP addressing, and verifying the address configuration. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the customer router. Go in here, and here we're going to go to config and go to fast Ethernet 0/0. Right here we're going to type in the IP address 192.168. Okay, and just turn on everything, make sure everything's on up here on the right, and right here we can actually look at all the things that we've done, what I've added. Okay, looks good. And then we're going to go to 0-1, where we're going to type in another IP address. So look at this one, go the IP, do 192.168.1.65. And then this one we'll just leave it as it is, like that. Okay, showing an IP address of that, host 65, internet mask 192, and check that it's on, looks good. And then we'll close this. Alright, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check on PC host A. And PC host A, we're going to actually go to desktop this time, and we're going to go to command prompt. Okay. Let's see here. This back to A. Alright, desktop. This time instead of command prompt, we won't go there yet, but we'll go to the IP configuration. And here we want to type in, make sure it's static, but we're going to type in IP address 192.168.1.62. Right here we'll just change this to 192, default gateway 192.168.1.65. Okay, wait, .1. Okay, I'll close this. And go to host B and do the same thing. IP address static. We'll type in host B 192.168.1.26. Change this to 192. Scroll down. Default gateway 192.168. Okay, looks good. So far we've seen everything is connected from the host. Host B, host A, connected to the LAN. We have a total for host B has 50 hosts. This one for B has 40. Hooked it up to the router. Looks green. So far so good. Next thing I want to do is ping. We're going to ping the server now. So we'll go back to host A and go to the command prompt. In the command prompt, we're going to ping the IP address of, so I'll type that in. This, invalid. Try it again. I didn't type in ping. 2.168.1.26. Enter. Give it a second to think. Let's see if they talk. It's timed out. Ping said. Just to double check your work, type it again. Okay, so far so good. Looks like they're talking to each other. Then we're going to ping the router. So we will ping the router. Ping the router. Okay, looks good. We'll close this and we'll check out host B. We're going to do the same thing, ping the IP and then ping the router. So we'll ping this router here, ping 168.1.62. See if they're talking. Give it a second. Okay, looks good. And then we're going to ping the router. Alright, looks good. Let's see how we did. Looking at this, we can see, if you want to go through this video, you can check out how to do everything, and shows we got 100% here. Check results. Right here it shows congratulations, complete this activity. Check here, see that all you checked off. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Packet Tracer 4.13.